Hey, Kid Crayon is an awesome artist and YouTube creator. Hey, all his links and info will be down in the description, all that good stuff, so go check it out. Also, I will link on an end card of this video his video of him creating this custom pop vine. Alright, let's unbox this. Hey, look, pretty cool. He's put some Kid Crayon branding on there. Open it up. I think Customs already had a look. Maybe they think we were doing something we shouldn't be doing, but hey, is what it is. Looking good. Oh, not much we can see there. Oh, here we go. There is a note. Alright, thanks for the support, dude. Good luck hitting 1K subs. Hopefully you'll be there before this arrives. Hey, we're not quite there, so hit that sub button. Sorry, the Manny doll is nothing like you. Haha. A cool little toy anyway. Hopefully all these extras make up for it. Big ups, Crayon. So really, really cool. Here we go, and hey, that's really awesome. We have a sticker. That is one crazy looking fish. Just, yeah, crazy looking fish. He does some really cool illustrations. Just has a very, very cool art style, and it looks like this box is packed. Cool, we have a print that looks like a vinyl cut or a vinyl, not sure what you call it, wood block print, similar to that. Cool little dope piece of art. Really, really happy so far. Stickers. Oh, there's another Kid Crayon sticker. That is really, really dope. Wow, he's managed to pack quite a few things in here. Awesome. Sticky apple face. Cool, that is a comic book full of characters. We have a whole lot of stuff in there. Oh, can't show you that picture. Really, really cool. Has a really, really cool style, Kid Crayon. Kind of a little bit of Cause meets Crazy English, meets Sesame Street, meets a whole lot of different influences thrown in there. Is really, really dope. You can read that. Just some really cool stuff. Jazzercise, gymnastics exercise to achieve bodily fitness and grace of movement. Just, yeah, he's really, really different when it comes to graffiti art. He kind of takes that Cause sort of element and really, really runs with it. This extra stuff I'm just absolutely wrapped with. Thank you very much. It's really cool. And hey, I love stickers, so that's really cool. Nicely wrapped. Presentation is great. That's really cool. I really kind of feel bad. A lot of the stuff you can buy on the links in his Instagram. Look at that. We've got stickers. We've got sticker pack. So we've got the Crayon 1 sticker, which was on the box there, which is really cool, which is one of his graffiti pieces. Look at that. We've got just crazy characters galore. That is really, really nice. Love how he stuck it together, the stickers and that in the paper, and the presentation is AA1. So we love that. Takes the time and care. Oh. Some crazy socks, which says he has his own socks. That is just crazy. Thank you very much. That is freaking awesome. Oh, I like that. Hype Beast Pepper the Pig. Every issue comes with limited edition socks. That is freaking awesome. Really, really like that sense of humour. New Balance, Hoss, Boko Hoss. Just really neat. Same but different. Look at that. Greatest project I ever heard. Most talented artist, he good, Brad Pitt. So good. Good price, the Queen. Nice, look at that. Just look at that artwork there. Just really nice. As I said, I really love his take on things, and his sense of humor there is really cool. Oh, another Kid Crayon graffiti sticker. This is just packed. The one we have been waiting for. Again, beautifully packaged. Look at that. Nicely done. You can draw on a manny, you can paint on a manny, use pens, paint, crayons, and that's what he's done. Oh, nice. There we go. Hang on. Yeah, Kid Crayon, I reckon you've done pretty well with getting that likeness there on the manny figurine. As we know, bearbricks and everything, when you go to paint that face on there, you got to deal with the shape already there of the face. And that looks good. Hey, it's got my favorite Supreme beanie, my favorite t-shirt with the Saint side. You'll see there when it focuses. Look, I got me little Chicago Jordan 1s on, which is really cool. Sneakers on there. We got KSF, Kick 7.5 on the back. Hey, I've cut my hair different since this, but hey, is what it is. Hey, look, we've even got we got me tattoos there. We've got the diamonds, always shine like a diamond, you know what it is. That is really cool. Hey, and even to get the shoes on there and get the little hat, he's had to use epoxy modeling clay, I believe, to get that hat like that. And that is just really dope. That is knocked it out of the park. That is everything I was expecting and more. Little Saint side, little chop and lock logo down there. The smaller details, got the Saint side in there, got the Supreme. Hey, we've got personal branding. I absolutely love that. You absolutely killed it, Kid Crayon. Hey, and if you want your own custom vinyl done, or you want some of these dope stickers, you want some crazy out there comics, just, yeah, really quirky, sort of, if you kind of cross SpongeBob, Ren and Stimpy, and Cause all together, you get Kid Crayon. He is very unique. He carves his own lane, which I really love about him. Hey, if you want some of that action, jump on his link in the bio. You can get some cool custom socks. I've got some nice low IEs I think would go really well with that. We've got stickers, just love these stickers here. It was an awesome mystery box, hey, and this is going up pride of place in the back there, little mini me, so that's really cool. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hey, hang around for this end screen because it will have Kid Crayon's video on making this, so yeah, really dope. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing.